Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creations. Hello and welcome. My name is Erica and I am the designer behind the Lopsided Crafter brand. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let me start off first by saying I'm sorry about the light. There is quite a bit of glare coming through the window today, but nonetheless, here we are. So this is an information video all about our upcoming CAL. I'm so excited about it. So our CAL is going to be called Dishie To Giftie. Thank you so much, Carrie of Happy Crafty Homemaker, for suggesting that name to me for this CAL. So how's it going to work? Each month you will get a brand new dishcloth pattern over on my website. I will also have a video tutorial on the stitches and the stitch repeat within that month's dishcloth. My hope for this CAL is that you make one for yourself and you make an extra for somebody else. So by the time the CAL ends, which will be the first week of December, so November, you will probably get 2 patterns, like the beginning of November and the end of November. So that way the end of November is kind of really December's. The idea and the thought process behind doing it that way is so that if you decide that you are going to gift some of these dishcloths to somebody, that will give you the amount of time that you need to pack them up and ship them if they need to be shipped as your giftie. So each month you will get a pattern and you will get a video tutorial. The tutorial will be on the blog as well as here on YouTube, but the pattern to follow along will be on the blog website. If you would rather have a PDF instead of following along on the blog, I will be offering a PDF format of the pattern each month. But just know that this is a free to you crochet along. You don't have to buy the PDF to participate. Everything's going to be right there on the blog. But if you, I know some people prefer PDFs so they can download them, write on them, you know, in their programs. I personally do that as well. So I just want that offer to be available to you if you prefer to do it that way. Again, you don't have to. So by the time you watch this video, the first post on the blog will be available. I will have it linked below. It will be a post about all the materials that you're going to need, the crochet hooks you're going to need, at least for the first pattern. The actual crochet hook itself may change from month to month, depending on which stitch pattern we decide to do for that month. But you will know in advance in enough time to gather all your supplies. I am doing all of my dishcloths in coastal cotton, ocean mist, or they're just regular Queensland coastal cotton. And then all the tutorials will more than likely be in Dishie or peaches and cream, sugar and cream. Just because I'm actually making more than 2 per month. So I have the first month's pattern already designed and written up if you would like a sneak peek. This one is done in Mermaid Beach. It is the Queensland Collection Coastal Cotton Ocean Mist. And this is the pattern. I love love, love how it came out. So the majority of the cotton that I got to use myself personally for this cowl is all speckled and variegated. That's another reason why I want to use the Dishie, so that you can actually see it in yarn that is not variegated. So I'm excited. I hope you guys will participate. We are going to have a hashtag for it, Dishie To Giftie. I will post that below. There's also a form that is going to be on the website that you can fill out if you like. So that way you will be notified whenever the next pattern comes out. Like I said, this is an 8-month crochet along. So if you miss a month, that's fine. You've got more than enough time to go back the month before, do that pattern, and catch up. So I can't wait to see what you guys make. And please, please tag me on Instagram with the hashtag as well as my name over there, the Lopsided Crafter. I'm so excited about this, and I cannot wait to see all of your dishcloth makes. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye.